Community High School Adazinu, Community High School Akweze, and Union Secondary School Agolo have clinched the first, second, and third position in the Igbo Cultural Dance Competition organized by Anaocha organization. They went home with 150,000 naira, 100,000 naira, and 50,000 naira respectively. Queen Anaocha filed on this report taken from her.
Tagged Asomimpi Asụsụ Igbo na Egwu Ọdịnala, a pet project of the 6th Anaocha 2023 was held at Community High School Akweze with students and teachers dressed in colorful Igbo attires from 14 secondary schools across Anaocha local government area in attendance. The event began with an opening prayer by the manager of the Community High School Akweze, Reverend Father Daniel Odimegu, while the palace secretary of Akweze Community, Chief Pius Mbanefo, performed the kola nut rituals on behalf of the traditional ruler of the town, Igwe Christopher Opala. Speaking on the essence of the competition, the 6th Anaocha, Ms. Chinagozim Ezuzo, explained that the event is part of her contribution to the development of Igbo language and culture and appealed to Igbo parents, teachers, and children to join in the efforts of preventing Igbo language from going into extinction by speaking the language and being proud of it. The representative of the Anaocha organization, Mr. Cosmas Okudele, noted that Anaocha pageant is an annual event in Anaocha where beauty queens are selected, and when Chinagozim, being the 6th Anaocha, chose Asomimpi Asụsụ Igbo na Egwu Ọdịnala as her pet project, which was the reason for the gathering of secondary school students in the local government area.
Asomimpi Asụsụ Igbo na Egwu Ọdịnala. Unu kwana na egwu ahụ a na-akpọ egwu ọdịnala. Onye ọbụla ma ihe bụ egwu ọdịnala.
In his remarks, the President General of Akweze Town Union, Professor Ignatius Maduka, who also represented the Vice Chancellor of Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Oka, Professor Charles Esomile, said it is a thing of joy to host such an event in Akweze and congratulated the organizers for using such platform to encourage Igbo children to take pride in their language. Others who spoke include the chairman, Nigeria Union of Journalists, Anambra State Council, Dr. Emeka Odogun, board member, Post-Primary School Service Commission, in charge of Oka Education Zone, Dr. Uchenna Okeke, President General, Adazienu Town Union, Sachia Gozie Ejidike, among others, lauded the pet project, calling for its sustainability. The event features the cultural dance by participating schools, presentation of checks and certificates to the participants, as well as consolation prizes.